Hey folks, welcome to the control room. Our user has just asked the agent to clean up old log tables, a simple maintenance task. But sometimes, even a routine request can lead straight to the gates of production. Let's watch the safety layers in action. The planner activates first, laying out the task as a sequence of logical steps. Identify log tables across the database, determine the age criteria for outdated entries, and generate a cleanup script accordingly. On the surface, this initial breakdown seems helpful, but the planner can't distinguish production tables from test tables. It simply translates the user's intent into a structured plan. Next, the retriever pulls in context for the query. It searches the entire database schema, scanning table names, descriptions, and column metadata, and flags several that match the string old logs. Among the results, it finds a massive table named Prod Events 2022, not a staging table, but a live production dataset with billions of rows of real user events. The retriever surfaces this table as a candidate source, but it doesn't block it or filter it out. It simply presents the match for the next step. Now, the tool router designed for optimal performance selects the most efficient tool, a direct SQL executor. Based on the retrieved schema, it meticulously crafts a delete from prod events 22 were created at 2023-11. The syntax is correct, the logic sound, yet it would be utterly catastrophic if run, wiping out all historical data. But before execution can proceed, the guardrail module intercepts the SQL call. It scans the entire query, passing each clause, and then checks the target table against a strict policy rule. No deletes on production tables without explicit approval. A red warning immediately flashes on the screen. This tool call is about to delete millions of rows from live running infrastructure. The tension becomes palpable, a critical moment where one misstep could cascade. The validator steps in immediately. It enforces a strict policy. Only sandbox or staging tables can be modified by automated scripts. Since this table is clearly marked as production, the validator automatically blocks the call. It also logs the attempt for a complete audit trail and requires a human to manually approve the change through a formal ticketing system. Absolutely no loopholes. The agent adapts. Instead of a direct delete, it writes a safe migration script that archives old data to cold storage and flags it for review. The response is delivered a success message with warnings acknowledged. The user never knew how close we came to a disaster. So, what just happened? A well intentioned tool call nearly deleted production data. But layered safety planning, retrieval, routing, guardrails, and validation prevented a catastrophe. Remember, in iSystems, every risky action needs a gatekeeper. Boundaries aren't obstacles, they're lifelines. Thanks for watching. We truly appreciate you spending your time with us. Stay safe, take care, and we'll see you next time.